You just ran your dishwasher, but it still smells funky? You're cleaning it wrong. There are 3 hidden spots causing that nasty odor that everyone misses. Even after running cleaning cycles, most people never touch these secret problem areas where food particles and grease are building up and creating that awful smell. Hidden spot #1, the door seals and gaskets. Food gets trapped here and rots. Spot #2, the spray arm holes are clogged with debris. Spot #3, the drain filter at the bottom. This is the biggest culprit, and most people don't even know it exists. Here's the fix. Clean the seals with a toothbrush, remove and rinse the spray arms, and clean that filter monthly. Your dishwasher will smell fresh and clean dishes better. Don't want to deal with deep cleaning appliances? Our professionals know exactly where odors hide and how to eliminate them completely. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332, or visit bearbroscleaning.com.